guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do this 3C combo makeup of the products that I just bought. I have been using from 3C. I don't think I'm gonna cover everything because there's a lot of products that I still don't know the layout to use it with, so it's still in the box. I'm gonna do an unboxing of all my new 3C products, so stay tuned and let's watch this video first, and then the next one will be about my 3C collection. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I should have moisturize my skin first. It's been since morning. It's been a few hours, so I'm gonna prime my face. What's that? Whatever you have before, and you need that. Today I'm gonna use mainly all of the 3C makeup products. So recently I bought a 3C cushion called 3C Fit and Mesh Cushion number N01. It's gotten really viral on TikTok, and I have to try because I've been using quite a few cushion, and then I like them, but this changed my life because this cushion is something else. It's like natural and it's thin, it's beautiful. What you can do is, if you don't want a super heavy cover, you can apply one layer. The wet puff to top it out. Okay, so the foundation is done, but I'm gonna use concealer. I don't have 3C concealer, guys, so I'm gonna use my favorite. I don't see that much. I'm gonna just apply it to my main area that need to be concealed. Apply concealer. Next we're gonna I have 3CE blush cushion. It's been a while. I haven't used this, but I really like it. Like when you apply as a cream, so your blush will last all day. So we're gonna use it today. That's the puff. There's a little blush going on here in your face, like have a little bit of the blush going on already. Next one we're gonna use powder, because I don't have 3C powder, so I'm gonna use my current favorite loose powder from Carsland. This one. It's gonna be another. So you see, after applying the loose powder, you still see the blush coming through nicely, but it's lighter. So we're gonna apply another layer of a blush later. So I have 3 color, actually 4, 5. I I have the whole collection of the nude recipe and other collection too. 3C Fade Blush. This one is the other regular collection. This is the nude collection with the other two that I haven't. Oh, with this one is a regular collection too. And this one is a nude collection that I haven't really opened. But today we're gonna open and use it since we're trying 3C. And this used to be my favorite blush until I ran out, and then I just opened a new one. It's like 3CE nude recipe, the rose base. The rose base and the nude peach are the two that's super popular, and really a lot of people like it, like this two color. So today I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use a small brush to focus it on my face only, like the main area. As a base. Rose base is really pigmented. So I just bought this better than the 3CE bronzing contour palette. This contour palette is from a new collection. It's called with the 3CE Fit and Mesh cushion. The color is soft brown. The cool thing about this new collection is that it has the little magnet. So if I'm gonna open it, it's gonna go in two pieces. But then if you put them together, oh wow, super nice. You don't have to try, or like you don't have to go for a light one, light color to contour my nose. Contour my nose with a light color. In the middle of the lips, upper lips, and then a little bit contour on the lower lips. Highlighting. Wow. You see the difference? This one is one of them. So cool. New palette. I bought it like a month ago and haven't opened it. This one is called 3CE Warm Neutral as color. 3CE New Thick Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know why I bought this, but I want something neutral and it's like easy to use, like everyday use, not really, but look at the color. My blush is already kind of heavy. I'm gonna just use this is more like for neutral, so I don't really see a lot of option for my makeup today. So I'm gonna leave this aside. I'm gonna use this palette to draw my eyebrow instead, and then I'm gonna use another palette for this brow right here. Then fill in your eyebrow. This glitter for the eye too. Well, I feel like this palette is gonna be better for night party, but overall is give you that nice little. Here's the glitter. Wow, and there's the lip glitter in there that I really like. I think you guys are gonna like the palette too, cause well, look at this, how beautiful this is. Oh my god, 3C, good job. This is on the new collection too, and I feel like it's gonna be like everyday makeup, except like blue, not for everyday, okay? But if you want to wear it, of course you can. But how gorgeous this is. I'm gonna use it to apply on my lid again, the orange. Blend it out. Palettes feel like you can use it to apply on one color on everyday makeup. And I apply the darkest on the underline eyeliner too. Did my eyelashes already. I'm gonna draw the eyeliner and then the lipstick and do my hair. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna do my hair and we're gonna go back to this. So I did my hair. And I need my lipstick. Next video. I'm gonna do the lipstick now. Let's see what kind of lipstick I'm gonna use. But I'm gonna do another video on the 3C collection that I have. Today I think I'm gonna just use something simple. Oh, maybe I'm gonna use as a base. As a base, I'm gonna use this one for my lipstick. So I'm gonna use a brush to apply this on over my lips as a base color. So I'm gonna use this color, 3C Lay Down. Still haven't opened it. I'm gonna use this 3CE Cashmere Hug Lipstick. Wow, this one is one of the nicest 3C lipstick I have so far.